Breaking news to tell you about right now in the search for Malaysia Airlines Flight 370. A piece of wreckage from a Boeing 777, likely belonging to that Malaysian flight, has been found off the coast of Mozambique. A second aviation source is telling CNN there is no other record of a Boeing 777 missing that particular part other than MH370. You might remember last year a different Boeing 777 part was found on Reunion Island. CNN's Renee Marsh now joins me to tell us more. Hi, Renee.
Hi, good morning, Carol. We know from these aviation sources that essentially this piece of debris is being taken to Malaysia for further analysis. Again, you mentioned that it's the horizontal stabilizer. If you look at this aircraft here, this is the section of the plane that we're talking about. This would be the horizontal stabilizer. Essentially, it's a part of the tail of the aircraft. They believe this debris found could belong to a 777, but again, once they do that analysis, they'll be able to confirm whether it is from a Boeing 777 and if it is from MH370. As you know, the Australians say they plan on wrapping up the search for this aircraft by the middle of this year. Carol, if this is indeed a piece of MH370, it will confirm what we already know, that this aircraft went down, but it still does not confirm exactly what went wrong, Carol.